Hello all, I'm Shambhavi and today we are delving into the topic of climate change. Hold on, I get it. Climate change can feel a bit overwhelming, with discussion often dominated by political polarization, fear-mongering, and outrage. While the dialogues on climate change has raised awareness, it has also left many people desensitized. In this video, let us explore climate change with an open mind and curiosity. We'll learn how it impacts us and what we can do to address it. Let us go back to basics. Remember learning about greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide in school? At typical atmospheric levels, these greenhouse gases may not directly harm our health, but rising greenhouse gases emissions have significant indirect effects on Earth's air quality and climate. These gases are trapping heat and causing the Earth to run a fever. Think of it like an insulation. On a cold day, one jacket keeps you warm by trapping heat, but adding another layer makes you even warmer. Similarly, greenhouse gases trap heat, warming our planet more than it should be. In 1820, Joseph Fourier suggested that something in the atmosphere keeps Earth warm. Decades later, in 1850, John Tyndall identified that carbon dioxide was that key component. In 1890, Swedish scientist Salvate Arrhenius calculated that by halving carbon dioxide levels, Earth's temperature could be lowered by 4 to 5 degrees Celsius, linking carbon dioxide to ice ages and climate change. Arrhenius' calculations were at first dismissed as an unimportant or at worst faulty revelation. It was only in 1960s, after Charles David Keeling measured the carbon dioxide concentration in the atmosphere, that scientists woke up to the fact that global warming was real and was linked to human activity. Today, carbon dioxide levels have risen from 280 particles per molecule, or ppm, to 417 ppm, a nearly 50% increase since the pre-industrial era. This increase is driving global temperatures higher, as you can see in the graphs. The Earth's fever is manifesting as global weirding, a term coined by climate scientist Catherine Hayhoe. Global weirding means that extreme events like droughts, heat waves, floods, and wildfires are becoming more frequent, intense, and unpredictable. Climate change isn't just an environmental crisis, it is a threat multiplier, which is worsening humanitarian crises, biodiversity loss, and economic inequality. It disproportionately affects marginalized communities, making collective action essential. Governments, communities, and individuals must work towards systematic changes to mitigate and adapt to climate changes. What can we do individually? We can be more accountable about reducing our own carbon contribution to planet, reduce waste, and be mindful of resource consumption. Limit unnecessary purchases like fast fashion and electronics. Choose public transportation, carpool, or walk to cut fuel use. Adopt more plant-based diet and use energy-efficient appliances whenever you can. If you're curious about your own impact, take the carbon footprint test linked below. Reflect on how you can help to reduce Earth's fever. Together, small steps can lead to big changes. Let us all work together to a healthier planet. Thank you.